Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi. If your iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi, try these troubleshooting steps to fix this issue. Number one is tap on settings, tap on Wi-Fi, connect your iPhone with Wi-Fi, enter your Wi-Fi password and fix your problem. If iPhone is not connect to Wi-Fi, make sure your iPhone Wi-Fi password is correct. If password is correct but not connect Wi-Fi, not connect on iPhone, simply turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on back and reconnect your iPhone and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve the issues. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find shutdown, dragging the slider to right side, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely shut down, turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check your Wi-Fi password. Ensure you are entering the correct password. If the password is incorrect, Wi-Fi is not working, not connect on iPhone. If solution number 3 is not working, applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check for software updates. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. If you are using beta version, simply downgrade and upgrade your iOS device with official version and fix your problem. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on the software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset network settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset your iPhone network settings and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check for physical obstructions. Physical obstructions like walls or furniture can interfere with your Wi-Fi signals. Move your iPhone and fix your problem. Change your location and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying this solution number 7. Check your iPhone Wi-Fi antenna. If your iPhone has a damage or drop down Wi-Fi antenna, it may not connect to Wi-Fi, and if visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer, fix Wi-Fi antenna and fix your Wi-Fi won't connect issue on iPhone. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.